Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily remove sale badge from your WooCommerce store. Let's get started. You can see right here that I have in here this particular product. You can see in here this sale badge, and in here is the original product has been dashed off. And in here is the new price. So if you want to remove this sale price, what you can do is you can head over right here to your dashboard, head over to the products and see all your products right here. Now from there, scroll down and locate the product that we're talking about. So here's your product right here, which is the garment dyed super soft slop cotton hoodie in ash. So what we can do is we can click on this edit option right here, and then this will direct us in order to edit our particular product. So from in there, just try to scroll down until you can see this product data right here. You can see in here our general tab. We have in here our regular price and also our sale price. So what you can do is you can just head over and then just remove the sale price. So if you still want to sell it at 59, just head over and add in here this regular price. And then from in there, scroll up until you can see this option for update. So it will update this sale price that you have. And then from in there, once it's done loading or updating itself, it will load you in this page. Now let's head back to our new tab and then let's refresh it. So as you can see, the sale price is still 59, but we don't have the sale badge anymore. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.